Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussing about the spinning cotton yarn. Did you remember spinning cotton yarn? What is the spinning? The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. The process of making yarn from fibers. From the fibers we are making the yarn. That process is called spinning. And before that, we are discussing about the some plant fibers, cotton and jute. In the cotton, we are discussing about the ginning. What is the ginning process? Fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning. That fibers are separated from the seeds, cotton seeds, by combing. This process is called ginning. Okay, that fibers we can separate it from the cotton seeds. That process is called, not only cotton seeds, other seeds also we can separate. Okay, that process called ginning. And spinning means the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. These two are we are discussed, and today I am going to discuss about the yarn to fabric. Yarn to fabric. From the yarn, before that we discussed how can we prepare the yarn. To make fabrics, all these fibers are first converted into the yarns. Before that we discussed it. Now from the yarn to fabric, how can we prepare yarn to fabric? Yarn to fabric. Now yarn to fabric, how can we prepare the yarn to fabric? Fabric, how can we prepare from yarn? Actually, there are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. The two main processes are there, that is a weaving and knitting. Actually, many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. From the yarns, fabrics we can make many processes, but mainly two processes there. What is the two process? By the two process only we can prepare the fabric from yarn. The two main processes are two main process two main processes are weaving and knitting. Weaving and knitting. First one is a weaving, second one is a knitting. These are the two processes we can prepare fabric from the yarn. Okay, one by one we have to discuss. First one is a weaving. What is the weaving? What is the weaving? Generally, in the last activity, you might have noticed that a fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together. The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Okay, so by the activity we have to understand about the weaving. Generally, what is the weaving? How can we define the weaving? The process of arranging two sets of yarn. The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Arranging two sets of yarn together to make fabric, this process is called weaving. Okay, let us try to weave some paper strips. What is the weaving? The process of arranging the process of arranging two sets of yarn the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make fabric, to make a fabric is called weaving. Okay, what is the weaving? The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Let us try to weave some paper strips. Now let us try to weave some paper strips. Okay, let us try to weave some paper strip. By the activity we have to understand what is the weaving, how can we weave the yarns, how can we prepare the fabric from the yarn. Okay, in this activity first we have to take the two sheets of paper. Then two sheets of paper of different color papers we have to take, and cut square pieces of length and width equal to the 30 centimeter from each sheet. Width and length both are equal to the 30 centimeter from each sheet. We can cut the square pieces of length and width. How much? Equal to the 30 centimeter. Now fold both the sheets into half. On one sheet draw lines. In one sheet draw lines. Okay, how it will be we can do, I will send you that pic. Based on that pic you can understand easily. I will send the pic so that you can easily understand. Okay, now take two sheets of paper of different colors. Take two sheets of different colors. Two sheets of paper. Okay, take two sheets of paper of different colors. Cut square pieces. Cut square pieces of length and width. Length and width equal to 30 centimeter. From each sheet. Now fold both the sheets into half. Now fold both the sheets. First what we did, we have to take the two sheets of paper of different color. Okay, we have to take the two sheets of papers different colors. Cut square pieces of length and width. How much length and width we have to cut? Equal to 30 centimeter. And now fold both the sheets into half. Fold both the sheets into half. Okay, cut both the sheets into half. Then on one sheet draw lines. We have to take the one sheet and we can draw the lines. I will show the figure. I will send the figure. Okay, once you have to observe that figure. And cut both the sheets along the dotted lines. Cut both the sheets along the dotted lines, and then unfold, okay. Now weave the strips now weave the strips one by one through the cuts in the sheet of paper, cuts in the sheet of paper. Now the pattern after weaving all the strips. See what we did in the activity. First we have to take the two sheets of papers, different colors, and we can cut into square pieces of length and width is same, that is 30 centimeters. And now we have to fold both the sheets into half. On one sheet we can draw the lines and cut both the sheets along the dotted lines and then unfold. Weave the strips one by one through the cuts in the sheet of paper. After that, the pattern after weaving all the strips based on the shown the figure, okay, shows the figure in that shown pattern after weaving all the strips. In a similar manner, two sets of yarn are woven to make a fabric. Similar manner, two sets of yarn are woven to make a fabric. The yarns are much thinner than our paper strips. Okay, once you have to observe, yarns are much thinner than paper strips. Paper strips are not like that much thinner. Weaving a fabric is done on looms. The looms are either hand operated or power operated. Once you have to observe the textile industry, that weaving of fabric is done on looms. The looms are either hand operated or power operated is there. Hand operated looms also there and power operated looms also there. If we visit the textile industry means, we can see that looms, what are the looms, how can we prepare the fabric from on that looms, we can easily understand. Okay, but no problem, I will show the figures. Based on that figures you have to understand easily. Okay, now continuation. In a similar manner, two sets of yarn are woven to make fabric. The yarns are much thinner than paper strips. Once you have to observe, paper strips are thinner or yarns are thinner. Yarns only thinner. Paper strips are not that much thinner. Are much thinner than our paper strips. Weaving of fabric is done on looms. weaving of fabric is done on looms. Okay, the looms are either hand operated or power operated. The looms are either hand operated or power operated. Okay, the fabric are made up of from the yarn two ways. One is a knitting, another one is a weaving. So we discussed it still now weaving. In the next class we have to discuss about the knitting. Okay, based on the two process, fabric is made from the yarns. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.